Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer Janae. I want to give you an update on my shower routines with the antiseptic soap that I've been using to prepare for surgery. So, starting on Friday, I had to do at least two, at least ha I have to take at least two showers a day to put the antiseptic soap on my arms, my legs, and my back. And so I ended up taking three showers on Friday because don't worry about why. But anyway, I took three showers on Friday, but only two with the antiseptic soap. Yesterday was Saturday, and I fell asleep and didn't get to take the second one. And so I've taken one already this morning. I'm going to take another one this evening. Then I'll take another one in the morning before I get up to go to the hospital. And I will also end up washing my hair. I'm thinking I'm going to wash my hair tonight so that I don't have to leave with it wet in the morning. But that's where I am on the showers. And I'm using Aveeno lotion, but I won't be able to use the Aveeno lotion in the morning. So tonight will be the last time I can use the Aveeno lotion. But I think the biggest thing I can tell with the soap right now is it feels really funny, like in the area where I've had my aloe vera treatment. Like on that leg, it's a little stingy, just a little. But other than that, like on the other areas of my body, other than it's like drying me out, everything else is good to go. So I will keep you guys posted in terms of doing a follow-up video after I had the surgery. It probably will not be like within the first couple of weeks, but I will keep you posted on how it ended up in terms of all of the different showers with the soap, like with my regular soap and then the antiseptic soap. So I am documenting the process of leading up to knee replacement surgery for those of you who are maybe starting with this video. Make sure you go back and look at the videos that are listed in the knee replacement section. And for those of you who may be following it, yeah, no, I'll stop right here and do another video on that. But thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day and go be great.